Gotcha. Oh, got away. Oh, hi neighbors. Hi friends. You just caught me. I'm catching what's bugging me. How about you? Well, it's that time of year again when fireworks are popping up around the neighborhood and grasshoppers are popping around my flower beds and garden. I'm not going to have any of that. Did you know there are almost 1,000 different species of grasshoppers in the United States alone, and each female can lay up to almost 100 eggs. That's too many grasshoppers for me hopping around my yard. And in late May to early July, their eggs begin to hatch. Now when these grasshoppers are in their nymph stage is when we want to start controlling them. Nip them in the bud, said Barney Fife. Anyway, so the nymph stage is when you want to catch them. So Mr. J decided this year we're going to try some Nolo bait. Now Nolo bait has claimed that it contains the most effective organic solution for grasshopper control. It is a target-specific pathogen coated onto wheat bran. Target-specific meaning it only targets grasshoppers and Mormon crickets. It is most effective when grasshoppers are in the nymph stage. Adults are more resistant, but still the pathogens pass on to the eggs. Studies show that the affected adults eat 75% less and lay fewer eggs. Now that's control for me. To distribute the Nolo bait, we can distribute it by hand or by shaker. And it only takes 5 tablespoons to 100 square feet. So we sprinkle it around the perimeter of your garden or your flower bed, and avoid putting it down before rain or watering, because like me and so many others, not even grasshoppers like soggy wheat bran. Ew, it's just disgusting. So Nolo bait can be found at most farm supply stores, some garden centers, or online. Now I found Nolo bait to be on sale at Arbico Organics, which has a 1776 sale for July, meaning $17.76. And please note that I have no affiliations with Arbico Organics. It's just where I found this out. And if below this video in the comment section, if you write to me and tell me what's bugging you in your garden, perhaps we'll find a solution for that as well. See you next time.